Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to connect the server with their server authentication unavailable, please try again later, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here view network connections, you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. Right click on your network connection, click properties, go into Internet Protocol version 4. Click properties, click use the following DNS server addresses, write in here 1.1.1.1, and in the alternate DNS, you're going to write 1.0.0.1, click OK again. After that, you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here date and time. You're going to make sure that your date and time along with your time zone is set correctly with the internet, because if your date and time or your time zone is set incorrectly, your computer has problems connecting to the internet. So just set your time zone correctly here. After that, click sync now on here, and once you click sync now, your date and time should be synced with the internet. Now you can go ahead and turn on Hytale, and you'll see that your game will now work correctly and you will not get that annoying problem anymore. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.